Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Can you handle estate proceedings without an attorney in New York State? By the law firm of Figeroux and Associates. Handling estate proceedings without an attorney in New York State may seem like a way to save money, but the process is fraught with legal complexities that can lead to costly errors, delays, and family disputes. At the law firm of Figeroux and Associates, we frequently encounter clients overwhelmed by the labyrinth of probate laws, tax requirements, and court procedures. This analysis outlines the step-by-step challenges of navigating estate proceedings independently and underscores why professional legal guidance is often indispensable. Step-by-step process of handling an estate without an attorney. 1. Initiating probate or administration. Determine the type of proceeding. If the deceased had a will, the estate enters probate. Without a will, the estate undergoes administration under intestacy laws. File with the surrogate's court. Submit a petition for probate with a will or petition for letters of administration without a will to the county surrogate's court. Forms require detailed asset listings, heir information, and death certificates. Appointment of executor/administrator. The court appoints a fiduciary, executor, or administrator who must post a bond unless waived by the will. Non-attorneys often struggle with bond requirements and fiduciary duties. 2. Inventorying and valuing assets. Identify all assets, bank accounts, real estate, investments, personal property, and digital assets must be located and documented. Appraisal requirements. Real estate and high-value items, jewelry, art, may require professional appraisals. Errors here can lead to tax penalties or disputes. 3. Notifying creditors and settling debts. Public notice. Publish a death notice in approved newspapers to notify creditors, per New York's Estates, Powers, and Trusts Law, EPTL. Debt payment. Use estate funds to pay outstanding debts, taxes, and funeral expenses. Missteps in prioritizing debts can result in personal liability for the executor. 4. Filing tax returns. Federal and state taxes. File final income tax returns, and, if applicable, federal. Form 706. And New York, Form ET 706. Estate tax returns. Deadlines. Missed deadlines incur penalties. New York's estate tax return is due within 9 months of death. 5. Distributing assets to heirs. Follow intestacy laws or will instructions. Without a will, assets are distributed per New York's intestacy hierarchy: spouse, children, parents, etc. Even with a will, ambiguities can trigger disputes. Obtain tax waivers. For certain assets, real estate, New York requires tax waivers. Form L8, before transfer. 6. Closing the estate. Final accounting. Submit a detailed report to the court and beneficiaries outlining all transactions. Court approval. Judge must approve the accounting before the estate is officially closed. Common pitfalls of proceeding without an attorney. Court rejections. Incorrectly filed petitions or missing documents delay proceedings for months. Family conflicts. Miscommunication among heirs often escalates into litigation without a neutral legal mediator. Tax errors. Underpaying taxes or missing deductions leads to audits or penalties. Asset distribution disputes. Improperly transferred assets may result in lawsuits. When to hire an attorney? While small, straightforward estates might be manageable alone, most cases benefit from legal expertise. The law firm of Figeroux and Associates provides probate guidance, streamlined court filings and compliance, dispute resolution, mediate family conflicts to avoid litigation, tax optimization, minimize tax liabilities through strategic planning, asset protection, ensures smooth transfers and guardianship arrangements for minors. Conclusion: attempting estate proceedings without an attorney in New York State risks financial loss, legal liability, and familial strife. At Figeroux and Associates, we simplify the process, safeguard your interests, and honor your loved one's legacy. Contact us at 855-768-8845. Visit askthelawyer.us or text 718-986-4362 to schedule a consultation. Let us turn complexity into clarity.
Handling an estate in New York without an attorney? Beware, one mistake could mean court delays, family fights, or even lost inheritances. You don't have to face this alone. The law firm of Figeroux and Associates guides families through probate, tax filings, and asset distribution, stress-free. With decades of experience, we protect your loved one's futures and honor final wishes. Don't risk penalties or disputes. Call 855-768-8845 today or visit askthelawyer.us for a consultation. Text ESTATE to 718-986-4362 to learn more. Figeroux and Associates, your partner in peace of mind, because your legacy deserves expertise.